Hi, I'm Lee Stevens from easycurtains.co.uk and I want to show you how simple it is to fit our slimline track to a ceiling on a straight window. So let's go and have a quick look what the first step is. Okay, so your track's arrived, you've unpacked it, you don't have to assemble any components, everything's ready to go. But before we start fitting the track, we need to mark the location on the ceiling. So I put some pencil marks on this window, just one on each side and one in the middle. The windowsill's about 8 centimetres deep off the wall, so I've brought the pencil marks 10 centimetres. We're going to present the track to the ceiling and those pencil marks will be at the back edge of the track. So that gives us our location. So let's go and have a quick look at how we start fixing the track to the ceiling. Right, so we got the track now to the pencil line to the back of the track. Now we're going to drive the screws just directly into the ceiling. We'll do another one here. I'm not going to worry about how secure they are at the moment. I'm just going to get them straight up. That second one just went into timber, so I'm really happy with that. So we'll just do another one here now. And we'll just repeat that. Drive all the screws in all the way across, and then we'll revisit the ones that we're not confident that are really secure. So back to you in a minute and we'll have a look at what we do with the ones that we're not happy with. Okay, so I'm not confident that this is a good solid fix in here. So we're going to reverse the screw out and we're going to slide the bracket away from the screw hole. And we're going to drill it out with a 6mm masonry drill bit. There we go. And we're going to use one of the plugs supplied and put that into the hole. They're great, these little red plugs. Uno plugs they are. And then we're going to refit the screw. Now that is a really secure fixing. Now you need to repeat that for any others that you're not happy that are secured and maybe just gone into plasterboard and it's a bit wee. Now we have a little plastic cover that goes over the back and clips on and just makes it look really neat and tidy. Now repeat that for all the other brackets that you feel that need a bit more attention and you're not completely happy that they're secure. So here we have it, the slimline track, which is fitted to the ceiling, and you've got the gliders that just move really smoothly backwards and forwards, so you'll have great working curtains on your window. So you can see now how simple it is to fit. So hopefully that was useful, and thank you very much for watching.